Every year, millions of South Africans take an important step, filing their income tax returns. And this year, it's easier than ever to do it right. This filing season, SARS has made it easier than ever to comply. Our focus is simple: less effort for you, more certainty for your tax matters. Many taxpayers will receive an automatic assessment, saving time and reducing errors. Your tax return is now pre-populated with trusted third-party data. All you need to do is review. If it is correct, you are done. If not, submit via e-filing or the SARS Mobi app. You don't need to stand in queues. SARS digital channels allow you to file, request documents, and manage your tax matters anytime, anywhere. Need help? SARS has introduced smart self-help tools to support you instantly. Get answers, check your information, and stay informed without waiting in line. Your security is our priority. SARS has strengthened its systems to protect your personal information. Prepare early for a smooth filing experience. Update your personal and banking details, understand your assessment, and use SARS digital services. The earlier you file, the sooner your tax is resolved. SARS is committed to making compliance easy, secure, and accessible for all. We always put you first. That is our priority. SARS, at your service.